Hello, I'm Diane Pfister. I'm the founder of GRACED, and today I want to talk to you about the concept of grounding to the earth and or crowning to the sun. Why I want to talk about this is that recently I've had an amazing number of clients who are experiencing hip pain. The hips represent your foundation. It is the stabilizing force keeping you balanced in this life on earth. If you were to go to New German medicine, which is a healing modality based on the body talking to you in symbolism, the left side of the body demands attention relating to females in your life, and the right side relates to males. If you were to go into past life regression translations, the left side symbolizes your past, and the right side your present and possibly the future. But I think it's also important to recognize that any disharmony is a lesson in and of itself, to more fully appreciate and comprehend that which is harmonious. And that's going to be the goal of this video. So, the first way to establish a firm foundation is to ground, and many of you respond with that query by saying, "What, you mean to go walk barefoot on the ground?" And I would say yes, but I would say more. How many of you actually wear synthetic rubber-soled shoes? Or if they're leather shoes, sometimes they will have a rubber layer to the heel. So I'm going to explain this through an analogy to a wire that's used on any appliance in your home. If you want something to be electrically connected from one point to another, we use wires to transmit that electrical force. A wire in structure is a conductor of energy through use of a copper usually, and it's sheathed by an insulator, plastic usually. This means that the stuff inside the wire can transmit electrical force or energy, and the stuff outside the wire cannot. So it blocks the energy from going anywhere but through the actual wire. If you cut the wire, then you can have a shock. So anyway, it's trapped inside so it can be transmitted over a distance. Now let's get back to your rubber-soled shoes. By wearing them, you are insulating yourself from absorbing the grounding energies that radiate from Gaia, Mother Earth. The energy in ley lines or in natural forces are completely insulated from entering you through your feet. In reflexology, there is a map of the foot indicating meridian outputs, an energy line similar to the wire concept that connects you to every major organ in your body. You're keeping that energy from charging you with health, balance, and, well, frankly, energy. Add to this, the foot has more sweat glands than anywhere else in your body. So if these glands become blocked with toxins or dead skin, you can have swollen feet, smelly feet, that not only blocks from reaching you to the balance of the earth, but in the other direction, it can block your lymph glands. The Japanese for centuries have slept in pads made of herbs that pull out these toxins that reduce their feet size and their leg size. And you can still buy these pads today quite easily. And now with the ascension process and everyone's concern about raising their consciousness happening, I would just like to introduce to you an even more poignant grounding that's needed. The earth is going through another dimension, fourth or fifth to be exact. That means that for some, the act of grounding to the earth needs to have an upgrade. You need to ground to the sun. The sun is our other energy source, and it has a balancing act of energy fields within the earth. And I refer to this process as crowning to the sun. We need to advance our souls and our connection to spirit, and one way to do this is to focus on your third eye and project your energy out like a ray to the sun. In this way, the crown chakra will connect energetically to the sun and bring you closer to source. So, the message is, ground to the earth and crown to the sun. Just enjoy the feeling.